Si estás mirando este video, significa que ya terminaste todo esto and you turned it in, para que lo pueda chequear para mañana. Entonces, el resto de hoy es haciendo fracciones equivalentes. En la próxima slide va a haber un video de fracciones equivalentes. I would say watch it, even though I would say go ahead and try. Estas son las fracciones que no son, que son equivalentes o no son equivalentes, but you have to think about like thinking outside the box, kind of like we did on Friday, right? Um, pero if you try this and you're like, I don't know how to do it, no sé cómo hacer esto, el video mejor te va a dar un poco de claves porque él resuelve unos problemas que se ven similares a estos aquí. Um, y la razón que digo eso es porque esos problemas no te están diciendo, dame una fracción equivalente, but prove que son equivalentes o no son equivalentes, ¿sí? So are the fractions below equivalent? ¿Son equivalentes, sí o no? And you have to tell me yes or no. Y pensando en esa regla que para encontrar fracciones equivalentes tenemos que multiplicar o dividir arriba igual arriba y abajo, ¿ok? Entonces aquí pensando, ¿cómo puedo yo prove que un tercio es igual a 2/6? Or is it? Maybe it's not, right? You're supposed to figure that, that's your job, to prove it. And so go ahead and try these out. These are going to be a little bit more challenging for those who have a little bit harder time just thinking outside the box of like, oh, I'm just supposed to multiply. Like, oh, yes, you're supposed to multiply. Use that rule to help you find the missing numerator. Aquí les falta el numerador o te falta el denominador, pero te dan el numerador o te dan el denominador. So tú puedes encontrar estos y puedes encontrar cómo fueron de 2 a 12. And so it's kind of that thinking, right? Again, if you get stuck on problems like this, like watching this video, he's more like towards the end, he solves problems like that. So you can look at that. Cynthia, you should be watching the whole video since you weren't here. Okay, si no, porque no estás aquí. Entonces, esas fracciones equivalentes, esta parte con las imágenes también. Estoy mirando que estás pensando fuera de esa caja, usando la regla que ya sabes, pero poniéndolo en práctica cuando ves un problema que no has hecho antes. You know how to find equivalent fractions. You know what an equivalent fraction means. So it's kind of like, okay, take that information, look at something that doesn't look the same that I've given you, but how can you apply what you already know to solve this problem? Because you should be able to, or you should or need to learn how to apply that without having to see every single problem, right? Miss Mako is not going to know every single problem about equivalent fractions you're going to see in your life. So it's like, okay, yo sé cómo hacer fracciones equivalentes. Multiplico o divido el numerador por el mismo número para darme un nuevo numerador, un nuevo denominador. Ahora, ¿cómo uso esa información para prove this? Para encontrar el numerador, para averiguar cuál de estos dos pares son fracciones equivalentes, right? All right, that's it. So that's your job for today. After this, there's no exit ticket or anything like that. So just making sure you get as much as you can. You have a lot today, so try to get as much as you can done, as you can done today. I'll be checking it so I can see what we need to practice on, and then if you're done with everything, reflex until you hit the green light. Okay, bye. See you mañana, everybody. Hopefully.